welcome to Cooking with HPL. I'm Dana, and I'm really kind of excited about this one. This recipe that I'm sharing with you today, my aunt used to make for us at family gatherings because it would make quite a bit. And it was cool and refreshing, and with the summer months coming up, I think this is one you guys might enjoy. So the ingredients we need: frozen strawberries, especially right now with everything being fresh, you can use fresh. Normally we use peach pie filling, but our local stores, we haven't been able to find any. So we're going to substitute apricot. We're going to use a can of mandarin oranges. We are going to drain the juice. A can of pineapple chunks. We will drain the juice. And then we're going to dissect bananas. So first of all, we're going to take our strawberries and dump them in our bowl. And I am going to look for any, yes, they're still frozen by the way. I'm going to look for any that are really huge. You know, sometimes you can get some really big really big strawberries. And these all look really good size, so we'll just leave those. We're going to take, supposed to be peach, but we're using apricot. And I love these lids. You just pop the top. There we go. We're going to dump this in. This is actually just a dump and go recipe. You can use sugar-free. So anybody's watching their sugars, you can use fresh, but you do need the pie filling because that helps kind of bind everything together. So I'm going to drain our mandarin oranges, and I'm going to actually keep the juice for another recipe that is coming up. So I just took my colander, put it inside of a bowl, dump that out because we want to keep the juice. So when you pull it up, the juice all goes into the bowl. And give it a shake, get as much of that out as we can. Dump our oranges in. All right, now our pineapple. This is one of the easiest recipes you guys can do. It really is not hard whatsoever. And we'll drain our pineapple. Get that juice shook out of there. Okay, I'm gonna set this off to the side. I'm going to give this some stir to kind of get it all started, put together. Oh yeah, the oranges will break down, so don't worry about that. And I am just doing a folding. Now you can make this the night ahead. You just don't want to add your bananas until the next day because of them turning brown. You want to help preserve that. So see here guys, it's already come together. So it is now the next day, right before serving. We're going to give our bananas a slice. And then we'll get those folded in, and it's ready to eat. Simple, quick, easy. You could dice these up even smaller, you know, you could have the bananas so that you have smaller pieces or make them go farther. But with this dump and go recipe, you get a lot. You can stock up on, you know, canned fruit when they're on sale. have a good shelf life on them. I just remember growing up and she would make this all the time because a lot of them didn't really like heavy, a lot of my cousins and stuff didn't really like heavy desserts, but they liked the fruit. And we're gonna get those all folded in. And yes, the bananas are I'm mixing up the strawberries and the bananas, guys. The strawberries are frozen, but they will keep the salad cold. Look at how colorful this is. And that's it, guys. That is the entire salad. And look at that nice big bowl. I forgot to get a spoon to give this a try. I'm gonna grab a spoon, I'll be right back. All right, guys, I got my spoon. Let's give this a try. Pineapple, banana, and orange. The flavors work so well together. You have the tropical fruit with the bananas and the oranges and the bananas, oranges, and pineapple. The apricots and the strawberries add a different texture and flavor. This is a win for me for summertime. We'll be back in a minute and we'll show you a drink that you can make. Hi guys, welcome back. We got it set up. We got our beautiful fruit salad sitting over here. I've got water in a pitcher with some ice. And I know I'm gonna mispronounce this. I am so sorry. Agua fresca. Basically, we're going to use frozen strawberries, canned pineapple with the juice, and some lime juice. I'm not adding any sugar to this. I want to keep it as, natural as possible. You can use fresh. We're gonna dump strawberries. We have the juice and some pineapple. Yes, this is a clean spoon. This is one that nobody snacked on the fruit with. So we've got our sweet, and I've got some of that juice, plus I have the juice left over that we saved, so if we need that. We're going to add some lime juice. And now we're gonna blend it. I get to play with my new toy, guys. Look what we got, an immersion blender. So, it might get a little loud. I'm sorry about that. You're basically wanting to make it into a pureed texture, kind of thick. I might add a little bit more liquid to this, just to give it a little more run thin down. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let me give it a taste, just to see if we need to add a little more lime or other juices. Oh, that's good. That is really good. You can run this through a sieve, a fine mesh sieve, to get out any pulpy stuff. And I'm going to add a little bit of this. Give it a little bit more. Oh yeah, this is really good and runny now. You could put these in ice cube trays and freeze them and use that as your ice cubes in your water. You could add a little sugar. I'm not going to. Just because trying to keep it as natural as we can, I'm going to dump some of this in there. I'm going to get a spoon to stir it with and a glass to drink from. We'll be back. Hi guys, welcome back. Look at this. Oh, could add a little lemonade to that. That would be really good. We still have some of the mixture left over. We're gonna give it a taste and see if we need to add a little bit more. Grab my picnic cup. Give this a try. We're gonna add some more of the mix. Might as well just dump that all in there. Well, there's a lot of different fruits you could do this with. You could do it with watermelon and lime. Oh, that would be really good. And really add some flavor to it. All right, cheers. That is really good and refreshing. It doesn't have that heavy sugar feel to it, so you don't feel like you're gonna need more liquid later, but it gives a nice color. You could put some green garnish on here, some mint or something. Add a little more lime. Like I said, instant lemonade would be really good in there, or some lemon slices. It's endless possibilities that you can do. But I hope this will help you out for this summer with family picnics, cool, refreshing drinks. Kids are gonna love this because it's fruity and cool. Moms are gonna love it because it's low in sugar. So we hope you guys have a really good time. Make sure you watch our other videos. We have upcoming different things going on here at the library, so make sure you come check us out. See you guys. Bye.